From Dusk Till Dawn is a 1996 horror film directed by Robert Rodriguez, starring George Clooney, Quentin Tarantino, Harvey Keitel, and Juliette Lewis. Here's a rare crew parking pass from this 1996 cult film. The crew parking pass is handmade and painted by the art department, featuring an awesome hand-drawn Quentin Tarantino in vampire form. Take a look at that enormous chin. The special makeup effects for the film From Dusk Till Dawn were created by KNB Effects Group. KNB was founded by legends Robert Kurtzman, Greg Nicotero, and Howard Berger. From Dusk Till Dawn was conceived by Robert Kurtzman, who wrote the film's initial treatment in 1988. In 1990, KNB hired Tarantino to write the script.
I love you too, sir.